Hey, this is Coach Sherry. As many of you know, what I do is help people to overcome anxiety, depression, weight issues, addictions, the whole 9 yards. And we do this without the use of drugs because there are so many people out there that are reliant on drugs. And it's not always their fault. They go to a doctor and they have an ailment or they have a really difficult time dealing with things. And a lot of times, doctors prescribe medicines to see if they can help them. But I really believe there's other methods that you can take, other steps you can take to try to be at your best before you turn to any kind of medication. And one of those is what I do. I work with people to work with their mindsets and deal with any deep root issues that may have caused anxiety, depression, so on and so forth. Another thing is that I'm really excited to learn about is how essential oils help us as well. I'm really excited about this. I had a great friend of mine tell me all about this and how it really does help your mindset, how it de-stresses, how it has health benefits. So I'm so excited. I have chosen to make videos, and each time I post a video, I want to take you on this journey with me so you and I can learn together about what different types of oils do for our bodies. And why not give it a shot? I mean, what the heck? It might be like the best thing, and maybe we were never aware of it. Now, many of us have heard the name doTERRA before, and we know that there are essential oils. But a lot of us, I really don't believe, know what they actually do. So I'm excited and privileged to be able to have that information to share with you. Let me tell you a little bit about doTERRA, though. Bear with me here, because I didn't know this either. So doTERRA was founded in 2008, and it was built on the mission of sharing tested grade essential oils with the world. Having seen for themselves the incredible benefits that can be had from using these precious resources, a group of healthcare and business professionals set out to make this mission a reality. They formed a company and they named it doTERRA, a Latin derivative meaning gift of the earth. I did not know that. I always wondered what doTERRA meant, and now I know, gift of the earth. Now you know. So that's interesting. And they said the first hurdle to overcome, however, was to establish a standard of quality, which is awesome, in an industry that never had one. It wasn't enough to simply provide essential oils to homes around the world. The doTERRA founders were committed to providing only the highest quality and purest essential oils so that families could know with surety that they were using only the best to promote health and wellness for their loved ones. That is pretty impressive. I did not know that. Okay, so today, because today they have a BOGO special, buy one, get one deal. Today it is about Spearmint and MetaPWR. Spearmint is great for helping to ease digestive upset and is milder than peppermint, so it's great for kids. MetaPWR is supportive to our metabolic health and helps curb unhealthy cravings. Oh, I'm interested in that one. That's awesome. And they say try adding a drop of these oils to your water throughout the day to help keep your digestive system supported all day long. Okay, so I'm going to give you a few bullet points about this. Hang on, I've got this all ready to go. Okay, let's talk about this MetaPWR. So 10 ways to use MetaPWR. You can add it to beverages before working out for a revitalizing energy boost. You can add 1 drop to a dry brushing routine. You can consume before meals to help control appetite and overeating. You can add a few drops to a protein shake. I'm going to do that because I have protein shakes every day. You can take in a veggie cap or water to help balance blood sugar. Apply diluted to bottoms of your feet to help inflammation issues. Wow. Take internally to purify and cleanse the body. Take with water to help manage hunger cravings. Combine with, I don't know how to say it, patchouli to make a cellulite blend. Diffuse or apply to the bottoms of feet to stimulate lymphatic system. Wow. Interesting. You guys have to let me know in the comments what you think about this. Okay, the next one is, hang on here a second. Okay, 10 ways to use spearmint. Apply to toothbrush before brushing teeth for fresh breath. Combine with tangerine and add to diffuser jewelry. Add a drop or two to any dessert, drink, salad, or entree for flavoring and to promote digestion. That's interesting. Add a drop to your favorite smoothie recipe. Combine a drop with lemon oil in water for a healthy, refreshing mouth rinse. Diffuse while studying to help focus. Who would have ever thought spearmint and being able to focus? Interesting. Apply diluted down the neck and spine for a cooling sensation. Apply to temples or the back of your neck and shoulders for head tension. Diffuse with wild orange for an energizing boost, or inhale directly from cupped hands. Very interesting. So what I also am learning about doTERRA is that you can actually mix one oil with another oil to get a brand new sensation. This is so interesting. Okay, I am going to post a link in the comments below because this is on sale today. So if you're interested and you want to give it a shot, remember the MetaPWR or the Spearmint or both. I mean, seriously, you should get both because it's all about our digestive system. Check into it, see what you think, and stay tuned. Get going on a conversation with me, ask questions. And if I don't know the answer, I definitely know who does. And I will reach out to them and get you all the answers you need. Okay, take care. Have an amazing day. Check out this link, okay? Talk to you later. Bye-bye.